Mitram and Bandhuvam, welcome to South Asia Maps. This is your intellectual Kshatriya channel, education channel. At South Asia Maps, your presenter Dr. J. Reddy will bring you unique perspective of Indology-centric topics as well as human ecology-centric topics of my very intensive, passionate studies understanding for the last 4.4 and a half decades. Uniqueness will be excuse me, all the topics will be covered in a unique iconographic form, bringing the abstract ideas in the form of maps, pictures, images. Mitronam, I have opened a new playlist, our YouTube channel called Four Punjabs. There are four Punjabs in South Asian region on the planet Earth, and this is the first of that. The areas, the populations, and population divided by area will give population density per square kilometer. Understanding any habitat, geopolitical region, the province or a region is very important. If you know the area's population densities, these play a very critical role in the contemporary human civilization. And this is the new series, the four Punjab series. You see the four Punjabs here, four Punjab series, the Punjab in the Telugu script here. We are in part one, area population densities of this series. And if you are following my channel, you will be know that previously I have posted some on East Punjab series and some more in West Punjab series, that is Pakistan Punjab, that is the Maghreb Punjab, and British Punjab here, and of course the Punjab series, other history and geography, and Punjab series, part of Haryana Punjab, and of course Punjab series, Himachal Pradesh Punjab or Pahadi Punjab. All these series Mitronam you can find that you can see here. These are the playlists in the YouTube channel. There are around about 70 or so. Each should be having around about 10 to 15 uniquely made presentations. You can go and look at them. That is at South Asia Maps J Reddy. You can just search in the YouTube for J Reddy or South Asia Maps. You should get it. And to begin with, there are four Punjabs. This is the Radcliffe line, the partition line. Excuse me. In Bharat, when we say Punjab, we will be talking of mostly East Punjab. In across the Radcliffe line, when they say Punjab, that is Pachim Punjab. But there are actually four. The more details on the tragic story of partition by the Voice of India scholars, and this is the Radcliffe line, or symbolically Ravi line, based upon this ideological divide, Darul Islam, Darul Harb, Momins and Kafis, Ilm and Jahiliya, I discussed elsewhere. Today we are talking about this area's population densities. So here all these figures, you see the numbers here, Mitrana, these are in 1000 square kilometers. When you say 200 here, add 3 more zeros. So I dropped those to make the things easy. There are four Punjabs here. This is Pashchim Punjab and East Punjab, Himachali Punjab, Haryana Punjab. The entire area is 350 units, that is 1000 square kilometers. How does that fit into overall area of Bharat? Is India has a 3.2 million square kilometers. That means 6 zeros. Here we are talking about 3 zeros. That means we can say it is 3200. India has a 3200. Pakistan depends upon how we count the disputed areas, around about 800, 850 or 900. and Bangladesh. The together should be having around about 40 to 100 units, among which 200 units is West Punjab. Entire east of Radcliffe Line there is a little less. We can say around about 150. That 150 we can make into three parts. 150 if we make into three parts, that will be 50 each. 50, that is the East Punjab, and add a little more, add 5, that will be Himachali Punjab. 55, add 5 less, that is the Haryana Punjab. 45 or 44 here. For convenience and brevity, I had omitted the Union Territory of Delhi that used to be a part of British Punjab for many years. So I have made the things very easy for you for brevity. So that you should keep in mind. So what is the area? 200 plus 150 is around about 350,000 square kilometers area. And how many people live in this area? Uh, this video is made around about July 2024. There are around about 190 million people or so. Depends upon which place source you take the statistics. Again, that is not that critical. 190, 190 to 195. Again, we omit the Delhi. That means you have to add around about 15 to 20 million. So that also you should keep in mind. If you take Delhi, this should be more than 200 million people. Okay, this 127 in Pashchim Punjab, Maghrebi Punjab. East Punjab has around about 30. Haryana has a little less. You can say 30, but it's 27. And Himachali Punjab or Pahadi Punjab has a 7.5 or 8. You add all of them, you should be around about 192 million people live in this area of 350. What is 350 million square kilometer will be exactly the size of round about the size of the European country has a Poland that has around about 50 million people or so. Here we are talking about nearly more 200 million. How do you calculate density? Very easy. You take the population, you divide by area. So because the population is millions and the area is in thousand, there is a little trick. Instead of 200,000, you can add a dot here that becomes 0.2 million square kilometers. Very easy. But the problem comes a little tricky because there are only two digits here. You have to put 0.050 or 0.055, 0.044, or other way roundabout is you convert this into thousand. That means you add, that means this is the million, means this is the millions, and convert into thousand means you have six zeros here, the millions 125, add three more zeros. In either way I have calculated, this is the density round about 600. If you say, you are not wrong at all. 600, give little this side or that side, 622, 600, because Himachal Pradesh is mostly hilly, mountainous region, the Sivaliks, the Lauladar range, the Trans Himalayas, Panjal, and so on. So it is less populated. So take for example, you take 200 units, that is 0.2 million, divided by 0.2 million divided by sorry, 127 million people here divided by 0.2. 0.2 means you raise it 5 times. So this 500, again 5 times here, so 620. So very easy to intuitively you can get it. That is about the fascinating four Punjabs is essentially the same, and the areas here 350 units altogether, population close to 200 millions altogether, density if you average them, that is 550, little more than Bharat. Bharat has a density of population. That means there is an area of, there is 1400 million people live in 3.2. You make it around about 1500 and make it to 3, it should be 500. But actually it is little less. If you say as of 2024, the population density of Bharat, that is the post partition Bharat, is 444 people per square kilometers You are pretty close. You have to comprehend these things very easily, Mitro. And I have other presentations called game series, that is geographic areas made easy. I said the Egypt is 1 million square kilometers, one unit. United States of America, Canada, and People's Republic of China, and Europe west of Urals have 10 million square kilometers, 10 times Egypt, and India, South Asia is round about 4.2, that includes Pak, Bangladesh, Bharat, and this is the 150 is the land area on the planet Earth, 360 is the water area together fight, and all these things you can comprehend. You can look at the game series for more clarity. Here I have given the brief about the surface areas of the Bharat. You can see here I have put Punjab 200. Here I don't know why I put 205 by mistake. And East Punjab, that is east of Radcliffe, three provinces to a 150. You can get a broad idea of that. And here I have put 4,000 square kilometers, India 3,100, and so on. The Pakistan there, Bangladesh. So you can get in the game series of that. That is about the fascinating Punjab, and this is the we are talking about the historic Punjab of British time. There was less districts at that time. You can see Punjab at one time also had the Sarihad Suba, the frontier province, or Pashtun area, are called Khyber Pakhtunkhwa today. That is across mostly the Indus region. At that time, it is Dera Ghazi Khan, Dera Ismail Khan, Kohat Peshawar, and Hazara districts, and it was separated from British Punjab 1905. So that is again a complicated issue. So I made it very simple. There are four Punjabs here, and we discussed about this, and that's about the entire. Excuse me, there are four Punjabs in the planet Earth, and the 360 is the water area of planet Earth, 150 million square kilometers land area, among which South Asia is around about 4 million square kilometers, and for Punjab is a 350 units, that is 1000 square kilometers, 350 units holding around about 200 million people. That's what we talked today. The four Punjabs, the population and surface areas, population density for square kilometers. Hope this will help you, Mitronam. See you in other presentation. Your presenter, Dr. J. Reddy. And if you like the presentations and if you want this channel to go in front of more people, similar audience like you can post comments, subscribe, and you can suggest your friends. See you later in other presentations. Dr. J. Reddy.